Let's go through this 2025 310 RLQ. We just brought in on consignment. This thing has a ton of add-ons and loaded features, so stay tuned. It's going down now. All right, everybody, Tony with Referral Auto Group. Right now I'm going to take you through a Durango Gold 310 RLQ. This is a 2025 model that was bought by one of our clients that upgraded into a diesel pusher, and now it's here on consignment. These guys have upgraded this thing to the gills. So I'm going to cover a lot of specs and features, but I'm probably going to miss some of the upgrades they did, but I'm going to do my very best to showcase them all. But let's start with some specs. We are 35 foot 9 inches in overall length, weigh approximately 12,500 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 14,995 pounds. We haul 76 gallons of fresh water, 90 gallons of gray, 50 gallons of black. We have a tankless, on-demand, never-ending water heater. What do you think about that? And sleeping for up to 4 people. Now, let's cover some of the features. We have our smooth fiberglass exterior with our Asdale construction right behind it. If you don't know what Asdale is, definitely check it out. It's worth the read. You can see our 2 awnings here, which we'll come back and talk about those in just a minute. We have our fully painted front cap, which the stripes and logos are stickers. Everything else is paint. Now, here's our first upgrade is our Gen Y gooseneck torsion pin box, and he does have the original pin box that comes with it. So if you tow with a traditional 5th wheel, no problem. We've got you covered. We have a 6,500 watt LP generator in that front door that has a starting switch, transfer switch, and everything else built in. It is ready to go. This is 4 slide outs, 2 in the bedroom, 2 in the living space, with toppers on all 3 slides except for the 1 bedroom slide that is under the awning anyways. Full pass-through storage. This has a 6-point auto leveling system. Now check this out. This has 17.5-inch Cooper tires on aluminum wheels with our dampened suspension system between it, fully enclosed and heated underbelly. Walking around the back, we have our ladder that goes up onto our fully walkable roof of 400 watts of solar that comes down to a 30 amp charge controller, then to a 2,000 watt inverter that inverts everything except for your microwave, fireplaces, and I say fireplaces because there is 2, and your air conditioning units. Everything else can run off the batteries. This does have your tow package that is capable of 3,000 pounds of towing at 300 pounds of tongue weight and has a 4 flat pin plug for the lights. Coming around this side, here's our 2 patio awnings with light strips up against the side of the coach, so you don't have to have the awnings fully extended to utilize those lights. You can have them completely retracted and you still get plenty of light. So if it gets windy, no problem. And this does have the adjustable rafter arms, so you can tilt this down if it starts to rain to have the rain run off. This has the triple camera system on it, so you have these side view cameras on each side and the rear view camera. This is a 4-season all-weather insulation, and again, Asdale construction. Drop frame construction here in our storage. It's a full flush floor. Check out the pictures. I have it in the pictures. All right, let's go inside. As we walk up, you're going to see another upgrade, and it is the keyless and keypad entry system. This has a full glass skin door on the outside. It's about the only time you're going to get to see me because I stay out of the camera. We have our residential style linoleum, large refrigerator with ice maker and water, residential size oven. That is a GE oven, 30-inch convection oven microwave, and guess what? On the back side of this island, we have a dishwasher. Everyone giggles at that, but keep this in mind. It only takes 1.3 gallons of water for a load of dishes. When you're dry camping, I don't think you can do them by hand and use any less water, so use it. Here's your heated, massaging, and power reclining sofa, your sleeper sofa, your ottoman with storage. There's your first fireplace, your smart TV. I guess it gave up on me. It took too long to get in here and it's turned off, but I did have it turned on. We get about 60 channels of crystal clear TV here with your off-air high definition antenna. And on the roof as well, the owner installed a auto-seeking satellite system. So that's another upgrade. This, they opted from the factory to put the desk system instead of the dining table in there. And they do have more chairs for it. As we go upstairs, we're going to pass by this cabinet. That's where your central vacuum system is. Nice large pantry. Check out the pictures. I have it completely opened up in the pictures. There's your starting switch for your generator, and the generator only has 2.9 hours on it. Not bad. As we walk up our 3 steps, because it's a full profile, We pass by our One Control system. That controls everything in the trailer and syncs with your smartphone, even the thermostat, so you can control the HVAC from your phone. Here's your one-piece molded fiberglass shower, porcelain toilet, residential height sink, and cabinets. Tons of storage in this. As we go into the bedroom, I'm looking at the bed, but bedroom, you have a lot of room because of the two slides that oppose each other. Plus, the bed tilts up with the push of a button, and I have it in the upward position. Windows on each side of the bed. Now, this has all the roller shades. You have the solar blinds as well as the blackout shades. Shelves up against each side of the bed. And you have USBs in the ceiling there. Nice little shelf here with 110 plugs. So any CPAP users, you have a 110 plug on this side of the bed as well. There's your full closet. And when I open the closet, another upgrade. Full stackable washer and dryer. Here is your fireplace. Another TV. And there's also a TV in the underbelly. So you have 3 TVs. You have the exterior TV in the underbelly that pivots out. Let's walk down here. I'm going to give you kind of a lay of the land. I try and keep these as brief as possible, but this thing is like brand new with a ton of upgrades and well below a brand new one without any of the upgrades. All right, let's go back outside. Going down our solid steps here. The first step is 13 inches. You can leave your shoes behind if you want to. All right. Let's back up and recap what we just saw. This is our 2025 310 RLQ. It's a 4-slide rear living fifth wheel. We weigh approximately 12,500 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 14,995 pounds. 76 gallons of fresh water, 90 gallons of black, and 90 gallons of gray, 50 gallons of black. Tankless water heater, comfortable sleeping for up to 4 people. Some of the features, Asdel construction. Check out what Asdel is. It takes the wood out of the sidewalls. We have a fully painted front cap, 2 awnings, 400 watts of solar, 2,000 watt inverter already hooked up and working. Auto-seeking satellite up there, high definition off-air antenna. We have our Gen Y torsion system on the front for gooseneck towing, but this can be put back to the standard fifth wheel. It comes with that pin box. We have our solid step 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system, enclosed and heated underbelly, 6,500 watt propane generator. You name it, it's got it. Triple cameras. Give us a call, 209-404-2200. Check us out on the web at www.referralautogroup.com. As always, we're not strong-arm salespeople. We're not going to hustle or hassle you till you buy. We're going to educate you and leave that buying decision completely up to you. If you've been in, then you know it's true. If not, come on out. If you feel anything different, let me know. My name is Tony. I'm the owner. We're also the home of the lifetime warranty on any brand new RV you buy. We include a lifetime nationwide warranty included in the price. We have on-site parts, financing, and supplies, as well as service to outfit any of your tow vehicles. We've done all the upgrades on this one for this client, and we can do them for you too. We also install any hitches to tow any of these safely down the road. Here comes a train, so I'm going to go, and as always, thanks for watching.